What are some common challenges companies face when choosing health insurance and benefit packages? And how do you help them to overcome the challenges that they have?
Yeah, so as we talked about, the most common challenge is just being the rising cost of insurance.
Mm-hmm.
And so, one of the strategies, as I mentioned, was is level funded plans because a lot of businesses have not heard of level funded plans. And if they have heard of them, they probably heard of them 5 years ago when they were just brand new and people weren't as feeling accustomed and comfortable with those. And so we're really on a mission to help spread the word on these level funded plans because it's a great solution for small to mid-sized companies. So level funded plans is a huge way that we're able to help the rising cost of insurance, as well as putting in those health reimbursement arrangements. Um, the other common challenge we see is just rising out-of-pocket levels. So, it'd be nice if seeing the insurance costs rise every year, it'd be nice to say, oh, well, the reason why is because the plans are actually getting better. But what we're seeing is the cost is increasing, but also the plans are not getting any better. So we see that deductibles and the out-of-pockets just continue to rise every year. And so, what do you do with that? So that's where the health reimbursement arrangement comes in to be able to kind of lower that out-of-pocket exposure for the employee and not taking on so much
Mhm.
risk. But also the supplemental health plans or voluntary health plans are great as well. And so what those are is, that if you have a high deductible plan, you're able to file, let's get say an accident plan or a hospital plan, where if you do get injured, the plan will actually pay you some type of a cash benefit depending on the injury. So you have cash in hand to help pay with those out-of-pocket expenses. So as the deductibles and out-of-pockets rise, we see very common to put in those types of supplemental health plans to help with the out-of-pocket exposure. And then really the last thing that we see is, or I shouldn't say last thing, but another common challenge is just the lack of education for the benefits that are being offered to the employees. As I mentioned before, with the value of the benefits, an employee can't truly value them if they don't understand them.